Hello, good morning and good evening everyone. Today I'm going to cook Skabiche Tulingan. It's very delicious. I fried the tulingan first before I stir fry with the ingredients before I Skabiche, or called sweet and sour in English word. Thank you so much for watching, and we proceed to the next video. Subscribe, likes, and please leave comment. Thank you so much. It's so yummy. First, you have to slice slanting the tulingan. Tulingan is the fish, ocean fish. So it's like fish. I add salt and black pepper, and also stock of beef powder, guys. So I have the cut half and the other one, guys. So now I may cut the frying pan and add oil so we can deep fry, turn to brown the tuna fish. As you can see, the oil is very hot. And when you put the oil, guys, you can put high, and then after that, when you put the fish on the oil, then you have to adjust the heat like a medium heat. So while I'm frying the fish, I need to slanting the bell pepper, any kind of bell pepper. If you have green pepper, yellow bell pepper, or red pepper, but I put 2 green and red. So as you can see, that's the way I slice the bell pepper. I just use half of bell pepper because it's a big size, and then half also the green pepper. Shout out to all my co-YouTuber, to all my silent viewers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that you always come to my channel, and please leave comment, likes, and share if you like my video, and subscribe. And please don't forget to push the notification bell, so every time I upload my video, you always update it. So now the bell pepper is done. Then I cut off the onion leaves or onion chips with a slanting small slice, cut with a small size. So that is only optional or decoration. And also I use 1/2 onion, only like medium size. Any kind of onions, whatever you have available, you can use it. So now it's ready our tuna fish to turn. So it's perfect brown deep fried. So now we proceed thumb of ginger and a slice at the same like a bell pepper. So we call in the language, our Filipino language, ginger is luya or ginger root. So it's like a thumb of ginger and then I slice like that. So, and also the baby carrots I slice is the same, exactly the same slice the other ingredients. So as you can see done. And also that is the small size of 1 whole of garlic, maybe like six cloves of a small size of garlic, and just slices and chop it. It's up to you guys if you wanna do, if you have more of 3 pieces, it's up to you. That is your because every people, that the way the recipe is different, and you have to slice that small size of the garlic, and we call that in the Philippines is ahos. So now guys, and our ingredient is done. It's very easy. Now the tuna fish is ready to sit aside on the clean plate. So now after this, guys, and we make hot again the other frying pan and put a little bit like 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, or if you have olive oil, and then we have to add the onions. When your onion is look like half cooked, then you have to add ginger root. So you have to stir it. Then we have to add our chopped fresh garlic. And we had now, we add baby carrots. So I add like 1 cup of water to boiling it. And also I use, if you have tomato sauce, then you can use tomato sauce. It depends as long the water or the sauce is red. I use a banana ketchup. So I add like 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce or any kind of soy sauce. If you have oyster sauce, you can add too. And also I add the bell pepper, the green or red pepper. And then I boiled it. And 1 tablespoon of beef powder stock. The beef powder stock is like Magic Sarap or MSG, but it's not MSG. It's made by beef powder. So 2 tablespoons of white sugar. If you have no white sugar, then you can normally put brown sugar. So you have to mix it. While I saw the sauce is sticky, I don't need to put the cornstarch with the water, but while the sauce is sticky, so it's ready to put the fish, the tuna fish, fried fish. As you can see, guys, it looks very yummy. And normally we eat this with rice. So subscribe, leave comment, and don't forget to push the notification bell every time I upload. And thank you to all my YouTuber, and also that scallion or onion chives. The last but not also, guys, I put black pepper, like 1 tablespoon of black pepper. While I'm fried the fish, I already put the seasoning of the fish, guys. No? So thank you for watching. Please leave comment, likes, and thank you to all for support. And then we simmered it until absorb the sauce with the tuna fish and cook really good the ingredients, and also the tuna gets soft. So yun, as you can see, guys, it's boiling. It's look very delicious, and you can eat with the dinner, breakfast, and also lunch. And normally you can eat this with rice. So whatever available you have, like paitas. So now the Skabiche is ready to serve. So in other words, is sweet and sour. So it's up to you. Some people you can add. I have another different style, like a special. We can add like pineapple juice and also pineapple chunk. But normally I don't put today because I already have videos that I put pineapple, sweet and sour, something like that. So thank you to all my supporters. I really appreciate that you always please support my channel and leave comment and subscribe. See you my next video. Bye. Thank you and God bless to all.